Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today I believe it is day 9 and I'm so excited to share this handbag reveal with you guys. If you've just stumbled upon this video, hi, welcome, my name is June. I'm a doctor by day and I make YouTube videos in my spare time. This month, in the month of February, I will be unboxing / revealing a new bag to my collection every single day. So if this is something that interests you, I would love if you could subscribe and join my little YouTube channel, and of course always hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So are you guys ready? Today I am revealing a bag that I've only recently added, actually in the last 1 to 2 months, and I have already been using it. I'm obsessed with it. I actually really love it. I've got it in this dust bag at the moment. It didn't come with one, so I've just put it in a dust bag that I already own. But you guys ready? If you follow me on Instagram, you already know what this is, but I am absolutely in love in using it regularly since getting it already. It's such a great bag. But please welcome the latest handbag reveal, and that is the it is the Louis Vuitton City MM, I believe, or PM. I can't be 100% sure, but it is a gorgeous little vintage number. This is what it looks like. I absolutely adore it. This actually has been reissued by Louis Vuitton. This of course is the vintage version, so I think if you're interested in this bag, definitely look at the vintage style, because honestly it looks exactly the same. The only difference is they've put another sort of strap down there, which I'm not honestly that fussed about. There is a smaller size to this, but I believe it's a Pochette. That's also very cute, and it just comes with one strap, whereas this is a double strap. I have a lot of one strap bags, so I kind of wanted to add this as a double strap, and it is so stinking cute, you guys. This is how it looks like on me. Something very like simple today, and I've got my Louis Vuitton belt, this bag, and it just is like a match made in heaven. I absolutely love it. So it is in a rectangular style. The vintage ones, they have a lot of structure still. I will show you what it looks like inside. The older style as well, because it's vintage, it's actually leather lined, if you can believe that, which is insane. So the interior of this bag is in absolute pristine condition. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better interior. It's got 2 pockets in the inside. It's got like a little phone pocket at the side there where you used to fit old phones, and so it's got 2 pockets on the side, and it's got 1 front pocket here. This front pocket is amazing if you want to put like phones or anything like that. So I love this bag. I actually think it's so cute, and I love that they've re-editioned it. I think the new one looks good, this one looks good, but it is actually a great bag, and it's actually very versatile. So if you don't want the pocket, you could wear it like this and have the pocket at the back. So it's a lot more of a simple style, but I actually really like the pocket detail there. I think it's really cute. They also have this in a bigger size. I can't remember if it's MM or GM, but they have it in a bigger size. And then yeah, they have a Pochette style, which is literally, it kind of actually looks like a Pochette accessoire, except it just has this pocket at the front. So I actually think that's a really cute actual bag. It's just that the strap, I don't believe, is detachable. So if you want like more of a Pochette style under the armpit bag, that is a really good option. I've actually got my Papillon here, so you can see, so this is the Papillon 30, so it is a lot bigger, but I feel like these two are very similar styles. The Papillon I think is super duper cute, but it is actually a bit cumbersome to put around the arm, so you end up squishing it. So for me, especially with this style, I try to be careful with it because I don't want it to lose its shape. So I do tend to wear it on the crook of the arm, and if I do wear it on the side, I sort of push it to the back like this. This is the 30, so it's quite large, and so as you can see, the size is actually a lot smaller. So I do believe this is like a 23 centimeter or a 25, don't quote me, but the Papillon also comes in a smaller size, but they're very similar style bags. One is just a square, which I think is quite convenient when you're putting it under the arm. It's not too cumbersome, as opposed to a circular bag. I do think the circular, like the Papillon, is very cute though, with the circle. I don't know what it is, like the cylindrical shape is pretty cute. But yeah, anyways, this is a pretty simple bag, as you can see here. This bag came in really good condition. The main thing I was looking out for was the leather. The beauty about these bags is the leather is so incredibly stiff, you guys. Like, you know, those vintage like Louis Vuitton Trousse Toilettes, it's sort of like that style canvas. Like, if you've never touched vintage Louis Vuitton canvas before, I honestly recommend you try find some, because it is incredible, especially the ones with like the leather lining. I do have a couple of like these vintage Louis Vuitton bags now, which aren't super popular, but I actually think that they're super duper cute. I've definitely been getting a lot of wear with this one, and I love this one because it fits so much. Like, it actually looks not too bad of a size, but because of its shape, you can really pack so much in there. For example, I've packed like water bottles, I've packed a book, like a novel, and I've even put like my cardigan in here, shoes. So I honestly love this one. I'm gonna try and link some in the info bar below, you guys. It is becoming quite popular. I think Emma Chamberlain, I don't know her name, Emma Chamberlain, and that's how out of touch I am. But yeah, Emma, you know the one. She, I think, had this bag as well, so it is actually quite popular now. Super duper cute bag. I'm not really sure what else to say about it. Like I mentioned, I'm trying to keep these videos short so you guys still find it enjoyable. Most of the ones I've found of these are in pretty good condition, so if you're after like a really cute everyday Louis Vuitton bag, I cannot recommend this one more. I think this is really cute, fashionable, and still really affordable on the pre-loved market. So I will make sure to put some links to these in the info bar below. So that is today's unboxing, you guys. Let me know what you think of that bag. Let me know if it's something that's been on your radar before. I've seen it before and I've linked it before, and then I sort of eventually just grew to love it, and I was like, actually I want one myself. So anyways, that is the unboxing for today. Remember, I am doing another unboxing / reveal tomorrow, so you do not want to miss out. So please hit the notification bell and subscribe. It is free, and you'll get notified when I upload new videos. And we are slowly getting through this. I really appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this, please share this video and share this series. It would really mean a lot. But that is it, you guys. As always, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful week or weekend, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.